In today's video, we are going to learn a bit about the English language. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, 5 are vowels, and 21 are consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels make both short and long vowel sounds, which I will go over in the videos. Some vowels make even more sounds than just the short and long vowel sounds. But don't worry, I will cover them all. All the other letters in the alphabet are called consonants. We make the vowel sounds by letting air escape out of the mouth freely. We make the consonant sounds by blocking air from escaping by using our teeth or tongue. English is not a phonetic language, so that means that each letter does not sound the same every time you see it. There are 44 different sounds in the English language. Our vocal tract helps us make the sounds. The vocal tract starts in the nose and extends to the vocal cords in our throat. Being able to understand the vocal tract, even on a small scale, can help us more accurately produce sounds and letters. So, the parts of the vocal tract that are easiest to control initially are the lips, tongue, and jaw. With each letter, I will show you how your mouth and tongue should be to produce the sound. I will also include images with the videos. Okay, let's move on to the next video with the ABCs.